The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Nissan Frontier. We previously installed the Retrax Pro XR bed cover, but this is for a quick look at the Yakima SkyLine HD bar crossbar system. So this is utilizing the 68-inch long HD load bar, the SkyLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and have a quick release feature for easy access to the truck bed. Locks are recommended and are available separately, but are not required for this fitment. Also included in this kit, in addition to the bars and the towers, are the HD bar adapters, which allow the bars to work with the towers, and then the landing pad 26 landing pad kits, which allow you to mount to the XR covers. So overall, you have a 220-pound carry capacity, and crossbars can be mounted anywhere along the length of the tracks. So a great system for cargo, bikes, and other gear down low off the truck bed. But this has been a quick look for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete kit with a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. Like always, thanks for watching.